Mush here. So, for our clay project, we're going to be making what is called a goal garden. This is to help you and Charlie Dog to see when you complete something, you add a flower to your garden. It's to symbolize that you're working hard, and the more flowers you have, the more goals that you've achieved. All right? So we're just going to use oil clay and some clay tools. And that's it. And then I have these different colors that I'm going to use for my flowers. All right. So let's get to it. So I have a big brown piece of clay, and this is going to be my dirt. Okay. And I'm going to stretch it out like this. Okay. Just like this. And then I'm going to take my clay tool, and I'm going to pretend like this is a farming instrument, and I'm getting ready to put my flowers in just like this. You can order clay tools online. You could use whatever's laying around the house to help dig it out. You can always use a pin tool. Really, it's just like a little shovel, okay? All right, so there you go. So then I'm gonna poke little holes in where I want for each of my goals. Okay, maybe you have a goal per month, because I have 12 here, all right? So I'm gonna pick this up, and if you get a hole, like I have a hole here, just smush some clay back together like that, okay? And then I'm gonna take some green, and I'm gonna just make some little coils, and just make some little blades of grass in my corners here to make it look like and feel like a garden, okay? And I'm just gonna stick like 3 little coils in each corner, just like this. Okay? Pretty simple stuff. And it really makes it feel like, and if you wanna add grass all along the border, you can. For time's sake, so I don't run out of time, I'm just gonna do the corners. And it just makes it look and feel like a garden. It just is nice. Okay, it's all in the details, my friends. Okay, so then I'm gonna add this, one more. Just like that, okay? Now, I'm just gonna show you how to make a flower. And I'm pretty sure most of you are like, Mr. Mush, I can make a flower. Okay, great. But for those that are like, oh, I'm not sure, all right, I'm gonna show you how. All right, so first of all, we're gonna take some green, roll the stem out, a coil, okay? And then we're gonna take a little bit of clay, of the green, make a pancake. We kind of want it to look like a triangle. I'm gonna take my pin tool and just draw some little details like this. I'm gonna put it up closer. See like the little lines that I made? And then I'll just stick it on right there, okay? Next, I'm gonna take some orange, and I'm primarily gonna do sunflowers, okay? So I'm gonna take a little bit of orange, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow, and just like I did with this petal, I'm going to smush it down like a pancake. And then I want to put it behind my little orange dot for the middle part of the sunflower. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. And I'm just going to do this and go around and around and around. All right. So the point of this is that for each flower is a goal that you set. So maybe you set a goal like, I don't know, maybe you have a spelling test and you want to really, you want to get every word right. So you study all week, okay? And you're studying all week and you're doing a great job, and then you take your test and then you get it back and you get 100, okay? You got every word correct, okay? And then you could have your flower represent your spelling test and then put it in your goal garden, okay? I was going to call it the grow garden, but I mean, it's showing that you're growing and glowing, all right? So that's the whole point. So let's say you got that 100 on your test. Bam, okay? And if you want to symbolize that, maybe you make a letter A or make a letter 100. And I could put a letter A on my flower like this. Just like that, okay? And that can be a symbol of your spelling test, okay? And maybe like yellow could be for spelling. Maybe you're trying to learn how to ride a bike. So another flower could simply be a different color, okay? So maybe riding your bike is, the opposite. It's orange, yellow center with orange petals, okay? It's up to you how you do your goal garden, okay? And then once you fill it up, you can either make another garden and then just start over, or you could keep the dirt here that we made and just make more flowers and the more goals you accomplish. Because it really helps to see your accomplishments and all pile up, because then it really motivates you to do and achieve what you want, okay? Maybe you play a sport and you want to score. Maybe you're on the hockey team and you want to score a goal. All right, that's your goal, and you've been practicing, and then you finally get it. Bam, put a flower in your goal garden, okay? Just like this. And if you don't want to add a leaf, you don't have to. But there you go, okay? So that's our goal garden. I would love to see your goal garden. Maybe you make your flowers pre-existing so they're ready to go when you accomplish your goal, and then you can plant it in your goal garden. All right? So with that being said, all right, I would love, I'm gonna display it like this so you can see it. I would love to see your goal gardens, your flowers. All right, so send in a picture to our email address or tag us on social media. I would love to see your artwork. All right, so with that being said, we're going to move on to our next project, and I'll see you there. Peace.